Yeah, he put it in the pool. She can't get it out. Go help her, Keola. No. Uh-oh, your battery's dying on the camera. Hurry up and get the ball, Rosie. I'm almost out of batteries. She's starting to whine at it. She's getting frustrated. Well, I guess that's one way to get a bunch of water out of the pool. Put the ball in and let Rosie try to get the ball out. Is he silly?
Yeah.
Isn't Rosie silly? That's it, huh? No, she's just trying from a different angle.
Yep, she's done.
See if she can get that out of the pool. Oh, yeah, that's way too easy. No, Rosie, get down.
Down. Down. Down.
Rosie can almost jump on it and Keola can walk right under it.
Oh, Rosie did twice. Remember?
Oh, jumped up on it?
Yeah, on the trampoline. She almost did twice.
I didn't know that.
Remember?
No, I don't remember. Back in the day? No, I don't remember. I don't remember her being on there. Back in the day, she's only 10 months old. Oh, yeah. Sounds like your battery's dying. Let me hear that again.
What?
Yeah, do it again. Looks like his battery's dying down.
No, that's just a blinker.
Oh, that's his blinker? Okay.
To all you kids out there, do you like Twinkies? Yes or no?